Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Metamask to Revolut in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, this process has become more streamlined, but it's still crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're cashing out for everyday spending or just managing your portfolio, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump in. First off, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Metamask wallet installed on your browser, some Bitcoin in it. Remember, Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, so you might use a bridge or integration for Bitcoin, and a Revolut account with crypto features enabled. In 2025, Revolut has expanded its support, making deposits even easier. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension and ensure you're connected to the right network. For Bitcoin, you may need to link it via a compatible bridge like the Bitcoin Ethereum bridge or use a dApp that supports BTC transfers. Double-check your wallet balance to confirm you have enough funds. Step 2. In Metamask, navigate to your assets and select Bitcoin. If it's not directly available, look for wrapped Bitcoin, like WBTC, and proceed from there. Step 3. Head over to your Revolut app or website. Go to the crypto section, select Bitcoin, and tap on Receive to get your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to success here. Step 4. Back in Metamask, click on Send for your Bitcoin asset. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network improvements, but always aim for the lowest option. Step 5. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion. Once it's done, check your Revolut account to see your Bitcoin arrive. A quick tip: always verify addresses to prevent scams, and keep an eye on any 2025 regulations that might affect crypto transfers. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Metamask to Revolut. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.